Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 29th of January, 2023. Let's talk about Nvidia today. We're going to give you all an announced price target now in Nvidia because you guys can see this is a massive run. And I know a lot of people on YouTube, the ones who tell you all to buy the dips, the one who's been telling you since 2020, 2021 to come in and buy the dips, telling you to be long-term holders. This market in Nvidia has already seen a very substantial move since the beginning of the month. Like for the month of January, we've seen the price in Nvidia go from $140 to $203, $205. Look at that, 47% in 1 month. Now, a lot of these quote unquote long-term holders got you all holding the bag when you could have already garnered 47% in 1 month. That is how powerful it is to know when to participate and when you need to leave. Rather than you just holding a losing position, you guys could have came in at the beginning of the month and saw the market in Nvidia run up 48%. Massive, right? So you guys can see though, let's get back to it. I did a price prediction in Nvidia not that long ago. Matter of fact, it was on the 24th of January. You guys can see that we've been participating right this whole move higher in Nvidia. Just go back and look at my prior videos. The proof is still there. You guys can do the same thing. You don't have to buy some expensive trading course, some expensive trading software. You don't have to buy some analyzer tool to figure out what the price should be. You only need to know what I'm showing you in order to participate and win. So you guys can see on the last trading day in the market Nvidia, it almost came up here to my ultimate TP price, right? So I only give you some areas, vicinities to where price is going to go. And it came almost there on Friday to $208. Okay. So if you were to get out the market now in Nvidia at the high, it's around 7.5%. On the close, you guys can see it's around 6% profitability in a very short time frame. Now let's get back to it. We're going to look at this on the weekly chart first. You guys can see how powerful this last price move has been in Nvidia. We saw price break this area of resistance right here. Okay. Since price has broken this area of resistance, our next focus is going to be at this area. Right up here. And then you guys can see that on the last week, look at the market already came up here. So I'm not saying that price is going to break this automatically. There might be a couple of days to where the market in Nvidia may just trade slightly below this area. But given this weekly price bar, given the wide spread of the bar, it kind of looks as if the market in Nvidia is going to break this $210, $208 area and continue to trend higher. Right? But that's the only thing right now, this horizontal line that could possibly hold back Nvidia's price. I'm here to tell you that now. So when it happens, you guys won't say, well, you said the price in Nvidia is going to go up and it didn't. And I'm telling you, the reason why it won't is because of this level right here. Okay. So look at this on the 2 weeks though. Look how strong the weekly price bar, the 2 weeks chart is in Nvidia again. So I'm not seeing this area from a weekly to a 2 weekly time frame really holding back price, at least from a weekly to 2 week time frame. So we got to at least give the market that long to confirm that price is going to break above this line. That's the first thing we need to do. Give the market time. And it looked like it could be about a week, 2 weeks for us to see the market in Nvidia break above 208. But this is that next level though that I'm seeing, considering the spread of the weekly and the 2 week price bar that we could possibly see the market in Nvidia run towards. Okay. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Again, you guys can tell on the 3 weekly chart that Nvidia is still massively bullish right now, but I want you all to see the 5 weeks. Okay. Because this trading week is going to be real important for us to know if Nvidia is going to break 208 and then run up to this $230 price target this week. So let me show you the 5 weekly chart first. Okay, now look at this. This is the 5 weekly chart, and look how wide that spread bar is. Like, you cannot tell me that price is not bullish right now. You cannot tell me as of right now. But we got 5 days and 4 hours left. So we got this week to go through first. But I'm here to tell you, at the conclusion of this trading week, if the market in Nvidia price bar looks just like this, then definitely we're going to maintain the prospect of prices going up. Just that simple. So this is just an indication to show you how bullish the market is in Nvidia right now. It kind of resembles this 5-weekly price bar, right? It kind of resembled this one. So you guys can see the results. See, I'm a very staunch advocate that price charts don't lie. I don't care what anyone says, what anyone is saying that they're going to do. If they say they're going to do something, but it's not correlating with the price chart, then I know what they're saying is wrong. Price chart is always right. Look at this. On this 5-weekly price bar, kind of resembles this current one. But 10 weeks price came down, right? So you may say, well, it took the market 10 weeks. Yeah, it did. But look at where price is now. So if you would have saw this in October 2022, said, I'm going to come in and buy the stock in Nvidia now. You're sitting pretty now in 10, 15 weeks. In 15 weeks, you're now in profit. But people got you holding stocks for 15 years. So let me go ahead and show you what I think the market in Nvidia is going to do. Check this out too. This is powerful. Last month in December, price came down, right? January, price came up. And not only is price going up, it is exceeding the high of the prior month. That tells us that the sellers had no impact at all on the buyers who bought Nvidia. Like, they were so willing to buy whoever sold their stock last month that there's no more sellers even at that price target, that level, $190. So this is a very strong market. I know a lot of people like to anticipate saying that we're going to hit a recession and stocks are going to crash and all, but the chart's not showing us that right now. And if it's not showing it to us, then I cannot explain it. I cannot talk to you all about stocks crashing. Now, can it happen in the next 6 months? Of course. That's why I come through and do periodic videos about the stocks. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. I'm going to look for price in Nvidia to continue to trend up. Now, like I said, we got to be careful because we are seeing this area around 208, 210 as resistance. So let's just be careful. Understand that that area is the first area of resistance though. Okay. Now, so considering that we know that, since we know that 208, $210 is resistance in the market in Nvidia, that needs to be a logical area for us to come in and bag some profit. Okay. That's just logical. If we know that sellers are there at 208 to 210, we need to at least take something off the table and congratulate ourselves. Now that will only give us 2.25%, but hey, we'll take it because we understand what we're up against. So 208 to 210, in around that area, it's around 3%. Okay. Now, outside of that area, first price target price level, let's go up to 220. That's the second price level, 7.5%. My third one is all the way up here around 230, maybe like 228, 230. Let's do a nice round number of 230. You guys can see that's around 12.36%. Okay, 12.63% right there. So we got 208, 210 first level, 220 second level, 228, 230 third level. Okay. Now, like I said, we got to give the market at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame. I mean, a week to 2 weeks time frame to really let this play out. We have to be prepared for the market to come down. Like we saw a monumental run over this month of January. Expect the price to come back down, test a couple of areas to see our buyers are still present. And that area for me is going to be down here around 180. So even if the price in Nvidia drops to 180, I'm still going to maintain that the prospect is greater. The probabilities of price going up is greater as long as price stays above $180. Now we dip below 180, then we need to come back in and talk and say, yeah, it look like price is now weak. The buyers are no longer controlling the market. Sellers are. We need to get back in position to play the downside. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. Those who find this video interesting, welcome to the team, welcome to the community. I want you all to continue to join me as we continue to maneuver and walk through the stock market in a simplistic way to continue to give you all information and content that's not really available. Like, you're not going to see this type of information nowhere on YouTube, nowhere. Now, you have people showing you articles and videos and opinions of what other people have said, just regurgitating, you know, what they think. But when you can predict and forecast, that's something that nobody else can give to you. But we can. join me. Hit the like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.